To get money off a Walmart money card without the card, you will need to follow a few steps. First, you must have registered your card online through the Walmart money card website. If you have not done so, you will need to go to the website and sign up for an account. This will allow you to access your account information and manage your card online. Once you have logged into your account, you can view your balance and transaction history. If you need to get cash from your card, you can use the Walmart Money Card website to find a nearby ATM or money center location where you can withdraw funds. You can also use the website to transfer funds to a bank account or to a friend or family member. Another option for getting money off your Walmart Money Card without the card is to use the Walmart Money Card mobile app. The app allows you to access your account information and manage your card on the go. You can use the app to view your balance, transfer funds, and find nearby ATM or money center locations. If you are unable to access your account online or through the mobile app, you can also visit a Walmart store and speak with a customer service representative. They can assist you with accessing your account and getting the cash you need. It is also important to note that you can use your account and routing numbers to receive direct deposits to your Walmart Money Card, which can be a convenient way to add funds to your account without needing the physical card. Additionally, you can use online services such as PayPal or Venmo to link your Walmart Money Card account and transfer funds to and from these services. Overall, there are several ways to get money off a Walmart Money Card without the card, including using the website, mobile app, or visiting a Walmart store. By following these steps and using the available resources, you can easily access your funds and manage your account.